Looking for a reliable and easy DIY smart shade for your home? Check out this new line of smart shades from Lutron. Hi, this is David of Tech for Baba. Welcome to my channel. Please consider subscribing if you like useful tech for the family like me. In today's video, let's check out Lutron's new line of do-it-yourself smart shades. They're quiet and smooth to operate, good quality and very reliable like Lutron smart switches. We'll go through the offerings, the ordering process, installation, and its operation. If you're wondering whether they are worth the money or worthwhile, this video should help. They're custom ordered and made to fit your window. We'll put a link to the ordering website below. Lutron offers them in two styles, roller shades and honeycomb shades, each one with either light filtering or blackout fabrics in white or gray. You can request free samples to check out first. The website is intuitive and guides you through the ordering process step by step. Very easy to use. For example, let's order a honeycomb shade with the blackout fabric in the gray color. It can be mounted inside, outside on the frame, or outside above the frame. I want inside mount. There are good instructions and videos on how to measure correctly. I want the shade to be inside the window, so measure the width of the window on the inside in 3 places, top, middle, and bottom, and take the smallest dimension, in this case, 45 3/4 inches. Do the same for height. Measure in 3 places, left, middle, and right, but take the largest dimension instead, 18 1/8 inches. Name the shade. Can just use the location of the window, say my study room. Add to cart. Pick a way to control the shade. I already have the Lutron Smart Hub, so I'll just add a Pico remote for the shade and place the order. That's it. Mine arrived via FedEx within about 2 weeks. It came very well packaged in this long box. Opening the box, there's the shade. Comes with 3 mounting brackets and screws. The Pico remote came in a different box. Taking a closer look at the shade. The number of spools and batteries depend on the length of the shade. This one has 3 spools and requires 8 B-size batteries. There's an LED control button on this electronic drive unit for setup and pairing. Let's install it. Brackets should be aligned to the front of the window frame and 2 inches in from each side of the window jamb. Mark the bracket location on each side with a pencil. The third bracket should be 2 inches left of the center spool. Place the bracket flush to the frame. Drill a pilot hole. Secure it with the supply screws using a cordless drill. With the brackets up, next, install the shade into the brackets. Hold the shade with both hands, tilt it, and hook the front edge of the headrail onto the brackets behind these release tabs. Takes a bit of aligning, then gently rotate the shade down and press it into the back edge of the bracket. It should click into place. Make sure the headrail is fully engaged in all 3 brackets. That's it. Press these battery release tabs to tilt the headrail. Then install the batteries. To pair it with the Pico remote, tap the shade button. It'll turn green. Press and hold the close button on the Pico remote. The shade button will flash green, and the remote is now paired. You can use the remote now to open the shade. Close it. Quiet and smooth. Nice. Raise it a little or lower it a little. You can even set a favorite position by pressing and holding the favorite button for 6 seconds. The smart shade can also be added to the Lutron app. Under Settings, Add Device, Shade Blind, select Honeycomb, wait for the LED button to start blinking. Press and hold the button for 10 seconds until the LED blinks rapidly. Give it a name, Study Shade, and now it could be controlled with the app. Once it's added to the app, it can also be configured to open at sunrise or close at sunset, just like other Lutron smart devices. Very nice. This Lutron smart shades cost about $450 with the remote and shipping. It may not be the cheapest DIY options out there, but if the most reliable, quiet, easy DIY smart shade on the market is what you are looking for, it should be on the top of the list. The ordering website is clear and easy to use. Installation is straightforward, and like all the other Lutron smart devices, they just work every time. If you're interested in Lutron's reliable smart switches, check out some of my other videos next. Have you tried the Lutron smart shades or other smart shades? Let me know what you think about them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you find any part of this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. It helped me out a lot. If you want to see more videos on how technology can enhance our life with kids and family, subscribe and check out this video next. I'll see you in that next one. Until then, God bless, and remember to cherish each moment.